Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time no see, and that is because I have just been really busy and trying to balance school and work and everything that life is throwing at me currently. So yeah, so today's video back is going to be kind of a more chill one. So this is my haul from Sephora when they did the Sephora VIB sale. I picked up a few things. Now I'm gonna let you know right now this is not gonna be a long haul because Sephora's expensive even with sales, and I mean, I'm in college and I work a part-time job, so I can't afford everything, even though I would love to buy everything at Sephora. You know, this is just a few products that I was interested in, and so I picked them up. I only have like 5 products I am going to be talking about because that's all I bought. But we're going to start with hair stuff. So I bought the Briogeo Rosarco Milk, and it's the Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And I bought the, I think this is the full size, this is the 5-ounce bottle. But I've just been looking for really good hair products because I want to invest in my hair because I never have, and I've never really cared about my hair. But I want to get into like hair stuff and doing my hair more and like taking care of it and treating it like it deserves to be treated. So I've heard a lot of people talk about this, Kathleen Lights in particular, and I thought I would pick it up. I do love this brand. I have a few products from their hair care line, and I've really been loving them. I've been using the Don't Despair Repair hair conditioning mask, and oh my gosh, that is so amazing. It leaves my hair silky smooth and it's wonderful. So I love that one, but we're talking about this one. I've only used this once after I showered the other day, and I don't really know if it made a difference because I didn't really pay attention. I sprayed it in and then I didn't like think about my hair after that because I put it in a ponytail and it was just back for work, so I didn't even think about it. But the spray is nice. It kind of looks like it's gonna come out, it kind of like doesn't look like a normal spray. It looks like, I don't know, like it would come out foamy, but it is definitely a spray, and it's a nice spray. I think the smell on this is really good, and Briogeo is just a good company in my opinion. They are more like a natural, I guess, kind of hair care. It's 6 free hair care, so it means it has no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no phthalates, no artificial colors, no DEA. So it's 96% naturally derived formula. So I really think this is awesome, and I have really been wanting to try out more hair care items, so this is something I picked up. The next item I want to talk about is actually from Briogeo as well, and it is a hair product. So I picked up the mini size of the Briogeo Scalp Revival Charcoal plus Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. This is what it looks like. It is a little bitty jar, but I did purchase the 1 ounce. I think it's nice that they do give you a little mini trial size because the full size is like $46 and I didn't want to pay that much, and there wasn't another in-between size. So I did get this one. I've also heard really good things about this, and I just really wanted to try it out because I do put a lot of dry shampoo in my hair, and I'm constantly like waiting as long as I can to wash my hair because I hate it. So I thought that this would be nice to just get in there every now and then, use it like once a week and get all that gunk out of my hair or something like that. Again, this is Briogeo, so it is supposed to be a more natural kind of hair care. Yeah, it just sounded really good. Charcoal, it's an exfoliating shampoo, and I've never tried one of those, so I'm interested to see. And it smells delicious. It smells like coconuts and something else. I don't really know what the something else is, but it smells absolutely wonderful, and I'm super excited to use this. Okay, the next item that I got was kind of an impulse purchase because the other items that I purchased I had been looking at for a while and I knew I wanted to get them. But I saw this on Sephora, and this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Oil-Free Gel Cream Fresh Hydration for normal to oily skin. This is what the tub looks like right here. And this comes in 1.7 fluid ounces, and I think this is the only size they sell it in. But this got me because it says it's a gel cream, which I love. Gel moisturizers, they are my favorite for oily skin. They're so amazing, and I mean, it said it was for oily skin, and it said it would give you fresh hydration. I remember I read one of the reviews on it, and someone said it was like the best moisturizer they had ever tried, and that it was super cooling when they put it on, and I love that. I love the cooling effect, but I'm also oily, so some moisturizers that do have that kind of cooling effect and like a lot of rich hydration are too much for my skin and make me even oilier. So I thought I would pick this up because it sounded nice, first of all. I love gel creams, and I really did want to try it out. So I actually have used this once already, and oh my gosh, let me tell you what. This made my skin feel so soft, like soft, super soft, and just hydrated, and it definitely did have that cooling effect. I really liked it. I've only used it once, so I mean, I can't really tell you a whole lot if it's like life-changing, but I mean, for that one time I put it on, it changed my life a little bit. But I am trying to use up my other gel moisturizer that I do have before I go into this one, but so far I have really been loving this purchase. I think it was great, and this is actually my first product ever from Kiehl's, so that's exciting. Okay, the next product that I purchased was something I've had my eye on for a long time because Miss Kathleen Lights here on YouTube actually bought it a couple months ago, I think, and she's been wearing it a lot in some of her videos, and it just looks so stunning on her that I was like, I have to have that. And this is the Nude Sticks Cream Lip in the shade Whisper. So it comes in this cute little packaging that says Nude Sticks. It's like this little tin, and then you open it up, and one side, I don't want to blind you, but one side has a mirror, and then in the little tin you get the little Nude Sticks pencil, and then you also get a sharpener. How cute is that? It's like specific to the nude stick, which I think is awesome. I wanted to try this lip product so bad because it looks so beautiful on her, and I used it yesterday for the first time, and I couldn't believe how creamy this was. Like, upon looking at it, it doesn't look like it's gonna be super creamy just because it is a wooden pencil, which I tend to not like those. But this is the most creamy wooden pencil I have ever put on my lips, and it is wonderful. It is actually the lip product that I am wearing today, and I think it looks absolutely stunning. Upon swatching it on my hand, it looked really brown. Like, the swatch came off really brown on my skin, like on my hand. But as soon as I put it on my lips, it comes off more nude, which is what I was hoping for, and it's more like a pinky nude, and it's just very comfortable wear throughout the day. Now, yesterday when I did wear it all day, I did get that like weird white line thing that like lines your lips. I don't know how to like, what do you call that? I don't know. But I did get that, but also I did have it on for like 7 hours, and it was still there, except it had that little weird like white line, if you know what I'm talking about. It didn't bother me too much because I can just wipe it away, and if I had noticed it sooner, I would have wiped it away. But for sure, I really have been liking this pencil. So far, it's super creamy. It feels hydrating. It doesn't feel like my lips are like the life is being sucked out of my lips. It's so nice, and I know it's a lot of money for just like this little bitty pencil, but I'm definitely thinking that it's worth it. Okay, the next product that I purchased was, I don't want to say it was like an impulse purchase, but I didn't think I was gonna buy it because I have so many eyeshadow palettes in my life that I don't even know what to do with. I mean, I had gone back and forth for a while now trying to decide if I wanted it or if I didn't want it, and I had finally decided that I didn't want it, and I was completely content with that. And then I just saw other people doing reviews, and I was watching YouTube videos, and people were talking about how it's like their favorite palette and how you need it in your life, and so I purchased it, and that would be the Anastasia Soft Glam Palette. I didn't think I would regret purchasing it because I do have the Anastasia Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and the formula is amazing. It's lasted on my eyes a long time, and I knew I would like the formula, so that wouldn't be the problem. I just didn't know how much I was going to use it, but I have used it the past 2 days, and let me tell you, I love this palette already. It is amazing. It blends wonderfully. It's beautiful. You have so many different looks. You can go natural, you can go smoky, you can go gold, you can go pink, you can go like maroon, you can go brown. There are so many different ways to do this palette, and I really love it. Now, if you haven't seen it, this is what the palette looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I think it doesn't come off on camera as well as it looks in person. You really have to look at this in person to see the beautifulness of it all, I guess. The only thing I don't like about this palette, and it's not that I don't like it, it's just that I wish there was a matte white or bone color shade, because I always use that to set down my concealer or my primer, and I just find that it's nice to have it in the palette so you don't have to reach for another one, because it does have every other color in here that I would need. I just prefer to have that white shade in there already, but that's okay. They do have tempera, but it does have a little shimmer to it, so I wouldn't set my entire lid with that. And all the other colors are too dark to set my lid with. But other than that, I think it's a really great palette. One of my favorite shades in this is Dusty Rose. It is absolutely beautiful, and that's a perfect name for it. It's like a dusty mauve-y color, and it's absolutely stunning. Now, this is actually what I am wearing on my eyes today. It blends beautifully. Again, like I said, today I went for the more like pink look, and I love how it turned out. Yesterday, I did wear the kind of more gold shades. Another thing about this palette is there are 3 gold shimmery shades. Now, Fairy and Bronze, these 2 colors right here, they look very, very similar. And I just feel like they could have gone for maybe one more that was a little lighter. They do have glistening in the palette right here, but I feel like even when I put that on my eyes, it was still very gold and not as light as I was looking for. So I feel like it is lacking that one bone shade and maybe a lighter shimmery gold slash silvery color. And I think it's a very nice palette, and I don't regret purchasing it. I really like it so far, and I think I will definitely be getting my use out of this. Alright guys, so that is everything I have for this video. I know it wasn't a very long haul. I didn't want to spend too much money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your support. And yeah, if you guys got anything during the sale, please let me know. Please let me know if there's anything I should try out, or if you purchased any of the same products I did, and if you're loving them, just let me know down below in the comments. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it so much. I hope you're having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! My cat looks so mad right now. Oh my god.